Whatever is visible on the search engine result page, we should optimize it. Google considers many factors when it decides the ranking of your website. So today we will talk about one of them, a major factor, which is meta description. What is meta description and why it is important to optimize it when we do search engine optimization for any website? We will cover all the things in today's video, so let's start the video. Assalamu alaikum, hi viewers. I'm Asma. Welcome to my channel Organically Marketing. What is meta description? Basically, meta description tells you what is on this web page. For example, I typed digital marketing course training courses in Lahore. Here are the results. You can see that this is the URL of this web page, and all the letters in blue and bold is the meta title or title tag of this web page, and this is the meta description of this web page. You can see that next meta description is incomplete. This incomplete meta description is not Google friendly. We should avoid it. And you can see there are some words in black like this. These black words should be or could be LSI keywords or secondary keywords related to my typed keywords. Through this, we will understand or we understand that we should keep LSI keywords and secondary keywords in our meta description. If meta description is not added to your website or web pages, then Google will take any topic from the content of your web page and make it a meta description. That's why we want Google to make no meta description by itself, because we will be able to tell our audience better about what this web page is about. Let's talk about the guidance provided by Google to optimize the description. There is nothing like you have to consider the primary or prominence keyword here. You can take the primary or secondary keyword, and apart from that you can use LSI keywords. Along with using these keywords, we have to show the creativity of the meta description. Like our title, we must make our description eye-catchy, enticing, and a call to action is added in this. We have to pay a lot of attention to the length. Google considers pixels in description rather than characters. What are the pixels? We discussed them in our previous video. For this, I would like to take you to the tool that we talked about in the last video, to the web.com. Just go to the web.com, and you can also go to the website to the web.com pixels, right? And you can land on this web page directly. So go to tools and blog, go to Google meta description tester. Here you will find a bar with the name of meta title and meta description. This is the bar of meta description. I'll paste my description here. You can see the meta description is acceptable and pixels are perfect. And my keyword is there here, digital marketing training in Lahore, and some eye-catching keywords are here too, like this. You can see all the enticing keywords in this. And if I put some or add some words in it, like online digital marketing course or online training, so you can see that the pixels will not be acceptable by this, like this. And you can see, as a result of desktop result or mobile result, the description is incomplete in it. My description will be incomplete on SERP, search engine result page. So I should avoid this. My description should be complete on the SERP. So here are my I removed the words and my pixels are acceptable by this again. Now we will see how to make and change the meta description on WordPress website. Just go to the WordPress dashboard, go to pages. I create a page with the name of random page, just edit. If you are using used SEO plugin, then here you will find a bar with the name of page description. I will paste my description here, save and preview. You can see my page description is changed to this. If you are using an other plugin, you can see the mobile result here too as this. Viewers, if you are using all-in-one SEO plugin, then after installing the plugin, here a bar will show in front of random page. Just click on the pencil icon and remove the previous one, and I will just type random words in it. Save and change. Save the changes and view the changes. Here you can see my description is changed again. So this is the way to make and change your description or meta description in WordPress website. So in this video we saw how you can add description and what things to keep in mind. See viewers, this is one of the factors. It is not that you wrote a good description or title, so we can't say that your ranking will be good. There are many things we have to work on. This is just the beginning. Do a simple task as your practice. Just use the totheweb.com to make your description according to the pixels. And before doing your task, tell me in the comment section that yes, you are going to practice for better understanding. Subscribe to Organically Marketing so that you don't miss any video. There are many things that need to be optimized. It's a complete course which is going on. Follow the complete course and keep practicing. And if you have any query or question related to this video or any video, you can tell me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. We will meet in our next video. Till then, bye.